I'm not sure we're going to see it now, but Carol, it's brilliant.
You can't just keep demanding that.
I know. Poor Carol. I want the ghost apple back.
Oh, for you, Lou, it's in. Great. Good morning, everybody. This morning, well, for some of us, it's been a mild start to the day, but I want to start on that note because where you see the yellows in this chart indicates the milder air crossing our shores. Yesterday, the top temperature was in Northern Ireland. The Giant's Causeway hit 14 Celsius. By the end of this week, Thursday, Friday, we could easily see 15 in some parts of the UK. Now, there's quite a bit of cloud across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland this morning, producing some rain or drizzle. There's also quite a bit of cloud across parts of England and Wales. And here we've got some mist at the moment around the home counties, Sussex, some patchy fog, Dumfries and Galloway. All of that will tend to lift. And we'll see increasing amounts of sunshine coming in from the south, spreading across England and Wales. Even where we've got the cloud in Northern Ireland and Scotland, it will start to brighten up for you. It's going to be a breezy day, windy as you can see across the northwest of Scotland and also the Northern Isles. Where the cloud breaks, for example, around the Moray Firth, today we could see 13 or 14 once again, but widely we're looking at 11 to 12. The average February temperatures at this stage in February are 6 in the north to 9 in the south, so we are well above. Now, through this evening and overnight, a new weather front comes in from the west, once again introducing thicker cloud and some splashes of rain to western Scotland and then Northern Ireland. There'll be some breaks in the cloud, particularly across England and Wales. And here, in rural areas, you might just run into the odd pocket of frost, equally some patchy mist and fog. So that leads us into tomorrow. High pressure still firmly anchored across France, and you can see how it's keeping the weather fronts out towards the northwest, but it's also pulling in around it some warm or mild, lovely air. So with tomorrow, we'll start off with that patchy mist and fog. It will lift. There'll be a lot of sunshine around, even where we've got the cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland. It will tend to thin and break, and you too will see some sunshine. Could see just the odd spot of rain across the Northern Isles from that weather front, and temperatures 12 to 13. But again, tomorrow, summer could easily hit 14. By Friday, our high pressure drifts a little bit further east. Still an array of isobars across our shores, weather fronts again out towards the north and the west. So translated, that means Friday fairly settled for most, a lot of sunshine around. Breezy, but it is a southwesterly breeze, a mild direction. And here's our weather front just getting into the west of Northern Ireland and northern and western Scotland, introducing thicker cloud and some splashes of rain. 10 to 13 are the numbers you can see in the chart, but we could hit 14 or 15 anywhere from East Wales over in the direction of London. Now, Lou's been talking about these ghost apples. What are they? Well, first of all, they were named and discovered, if you like, by this gentleman here, Andrew from Michigan. And you can see it is just an apple with a nice shell around it. Now, for that to happen, what you do need is freezing rain. Freezing rain will freeze on impact on its object, in this case an apple, and water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Now, the apple inside this freezes at minus 2.22 Celsius. So if the temperature continues to drop, say to -5, what will happen is the apple inside this ice will start to rot and decompose. Then as the temperature rises, remember freezing point of the apple is minus 2.22, it will start to thaw a little bit and all its contents will dribble out the bottom, leaving this perfect glass apple shape that is then empty, rather like a Christmas decoration, Lou and Dan.